In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First, when you log into your ActiveCampaign account, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Now, take a look at the left-hand sidebar menu. You'll want to find the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the Contacts screen where you can manage and view all your current contacts. Now that you're on the Contacts screen, the next step is to add a new contact. Look towards the top right corner of this screen and you should see a button that says Add a Contact. Go ahead and click that. This is where the fun begins. A pop-up box will appear asking you for some important details about the individual you want to add. It's time to fill in those details. You'll need to enter several key pieces of information. Start with their first name and last name. This helps personalize your communications later on. Then move on to the email address, which is crucial for sending out any campaigns or updates. If you have their phone number as well, you can add that too, although it's optional. Take your time to make sure you've entered everything correctly. Once you've filled in the required information, you'll need to finalize the addition of your new contact. You'll see a button labeled Add at the bottom of the pop-up. Click that. After you do, another options box will appear titled Contact Actions. This is actually where you can set some preferences for this new contact. In this options box, you'll have a few choices to make. You can add the contact to a specific list, which helps in organizing your contacts based on interests or campaign types. If you're managing deals, you also have the option to assign them a deal, which can be super helpful for tracking sales interactions. Lastly, you can add a tag to further categorize this contact. Tags are a great way to segment your audience for targeted marketing efforts. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to apply those changes. Look for the Apply button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Clicking this will save your preferences and officially add the contact to your list. That's really all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a new contact into ActiveCampaign. Remember that managing your contacts effectively is crucial for any marketing strategy, and ActiveCampaign offers numerous tools to help you stay organized and efficient. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Happy marketing, and I'll see you